Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we will unravel the mysteries of real estate investing. We know how daunting it can seem to navigate the world of real estate, especially when it comes to investing. It's like trying to put together a puzzle without knowing what the final picture looks like. But don't worry, we're here to guide you piece by piece to create a clear, comprehensive image of real estate investing. We'll explore the building blocks, the golden rules, and dive deep into the market, providing you with the investor's toolkit you'll need to succeed. So if you're ready to take the plunge, join us on this exciting journey. And remember, if you find our content valuable, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful videos. Let's get started. Ever wondered why some folks seem to make a fortune in real estate while others barely scrape by? Let's dive into the world of real estate investing, a journey that may seem somewhat like a puzzle, but with the right pieces, it becomes a picture of financial prosperity. Real estate investing at its core is the purchase, ownership, management, rental, or sale of real estate for profit. It may sound simple, but it's a multifaceted endeavor requiring knowledge, skill, and a dash of daring. Now, why is it important? Well, let's think about it. It's a tangible asset, a piece of the earth that we can touch, feel, and utilize. It's an investment that, when done right, can provide a steady stream of income and potentially a hefty return on investment. But let's debunk some common misconceptions about real estate investing. First off, it's not a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires patience, strategic planning, and a keen eye for opportunity. Second, it's not just for the rich and famous. With a variety of investment options available, anyone with the right mindset can venture into real estate investing. And third, it's not a risk-free endeavor. Like any investment, it comes with its share of risks, but remember, the greater the risk, the greater the potential reward. Now let's talk about the potential financial benefits. Picture this, a steady rental income. That's like a reliable old friend, always there when you need it. Then there's the potential for appreciation, where your property increases in value over time. And let's not forget the tax advantages, which can make a significant difference to your bottom line. So, you see, real estate investing is much like a puzzle, where each piece represents a different aspect of the process. And when these pieces come together, they form a picture of financial stability and wealth creation. Now that we've piqued your curiosity, it's time to unravel the mystery of real estate investing. So buckle up, folks, as we set out on this exciting journey. Are you ready to piece together your real estate investment puzzle? Real estate investing isn't rocket science, but it does require some knowledge. Let's start with the basics. Imagine real estate as a vast field, a quilt, if you will, stitched together with different patches. Each patch represents a type of real estate. First, we have residential real estate. This is your bread and butter. It includes all kinds of homes, from single-family houses to high-rise condominiums. Investing in residential real estate can be as straightforward as buying a home, renting it out, and collecting rental income. Next up, we have commercial real estate. This is a larger, more diverse patch. It encompasses office buildings, shopping centers, hotels, and more. Investing in commercial real estate often involves leasing out spaces to businesses and earning rental income. It might be a bit more complex than residential, but the potential rewards can be higher. Then we've got industrial real estate. This includes warehouses, factories, and distribution centers. Industrial properties can be a goldmine for investors, with long-term leases and significant rental revenue. But remember, the complexity and cost of managing these properties can also be higher. Finally, there's raw land. This is the wild card of real estate. It's untouched and can be molded into anything. You can buy and hold, hoping for appreciation, or you can develop it into residential, commercial, or industrial real estate. It's like a blank canvas for the creative investor. Now, how you invest in each of these types can vary. You can buy properties outright, partner with others in investment groups, or invest indirectly through real estate investment trusts. Each method has its advantages and drawbacks, and choosing the right one depends on your financial goals and risk tolerance. So there you have it. The vast field of real estate, divided into 4 main patches: residential, commercial, industrial, and raw land, each with its unique opportunities and challenges. Understanding the different types of real estate is the first step to becoming a savvy investor. In real estate, as in life, there are rules to play by. Break them, and you might end up broke. Now let's delve into the golden rules of real estate investing. These are the principles that will guide you on your journey to becoming a seasoned investor. First up is the age-old adage, location, location, location. You've probably heard it a million times, but That's because it's true, a property's location influences its value more than any other factor. It's the difference between a gold mine and a money pit. So, before you make a purchase, take a good look at the neighborhood, the amenities, the schools, and the job market. Remember, you can change a house, but you can't change its location. Next, we have the rule of research. Real estate investing isn't a game of chance. It's a game of knowledge. You need to know your market inside out. What's the average property price? How long do properties stay on the market? What's the rental yield? The more you know, the better your decisions will be. So, roll up your sleeves, dig into the data, and become a real estate scholar. Then there's the concept of buy low, sell high. It sounds simple, but it's easier said than done. The key is to spot opportunities before others do. Look for undervalued properties, distressed sales, or areas on the brink of development. Buy when prices are low, then hold on until they rise. It's a waiting game, but the rewards can be substantial. Finally, always have an exit strategy. Real estate investing isn't about buying properties and hoping for the best. It's about having a clear plan, from purchase to profit. So before you buy, ask yourself, how am I going to make money from this investment? And how will I get out if things go south? Keep these golden rules in mind, and you're well on your way to making smart, profitable investments. Ready to jump into the deep end? Hold your breath. We're diving into the real estate market. Now that you're equipped with the basics, let's get started with real estate investing. The first step to diving in is finding potential investment properties. This is where your research skills will come into play. You'll want to look for properties in areas with strong rental demand, low vacancy rates, and potential for property value growth. Online property listing websites, real estate agents, and even word of mouth are great sources to find promising properties. Next, you'll need to assess these potential investments. It's not just about the price. You'll want to consider the property's condition, the cost of any necessary repairs or renovations, and the potential rental income. A good rule of thumb is the 1% rule. The monthly rent should be at least 1% of the property's purchase price. But remember, this is just a guideline. The profitability of a property depends on a variety of factors, including the local rental market and your financing costs. Speaking of financing, you'll likely need to secure a mortgage to purchase your investment property. Shop around for the best mortgage rates and terms. Consider working with a mortgage broker who can help you navigate the process. Also, remember that investment properties typically require a larger down payment than primary residences, often 20 to 25% of the purchase price. Finally, it's time to close the deal. This involves negotiating the purchase price, completing a property inspection, and finalizing the mortgage. It can be a complex process, so don't hesitate to seek professional advice. A real estate attorney or experienced real estate agent can be invaluable during this stage. With these tips, you're ready to take the plunge into the exciting world of real estate investing. Remember, every successful investor started with their first property. Don't be afraid to dive in. The water's just fine. So, go ahead. Make your splash in the real estate market. After all, fortune favors the bold, and in real estate, it also favors the well-informed. A good workman never blames his tools, but a smart investor always has the right ones. Now let's delve into the toolkit of a savvy real estate investor. This isn't your typical toolbox filled with hammers and nails. Instead, it's loaded with valuable resources that can help you navigate through the complex world of real estate investing. First up, we have market reports. These are not just any reports, but comprehensive documents that offer a snapshot of the real estate market at any given time. They provide crucial data on price trends, rental rates, vacancy levels, and more. By analyzing these reports, investors can spot emerging trends, identify opportunities, and make informed decisions. Next in line is the investment calculator. Sounds complex? Well, it's actually quite simple. This tool helps you crunch the numbers and evaluate potential investments. It allows you to calculate key metrics such as return on investment, cash flow, and capitalization rate. With this tool, you can easily compare different properties and choose the one that offers the best returns. Then we have property management software. Now this is a game changer. This software simplifies property management by automating various tasks, such as rent collection, maintenance requests, and tenant communication. It's like your personal assistant, helping you manage your properties efficiently and effectively. But remember, these tools are just instruments to facilitate your journey. They are not magic wands that will instantly transform you into a successful investor. Real estate investing requires a lot of hard work, patience, and a dash of courage. It's about making wise decisions, taking calculated risks, and constantly learning from your experiences. And let's not forget, every investor is unique, and so is their toolkit. Some might find other tools more useful based on their strategy, market, or personal preference. So, feel free to customize your toolkit as per your needs. Armed with these tools, you're equipped to tackle any challenge the real estate market throws your way. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, remember that the right tools can make all the difference in your real estate journey. So, you've assembled your toolkit and you're ready to plunge into the real estate investing labyrinth. But remember, every labyrinth has its twists and turns. We'll guide you on how to maneuver through the complexities of real estate investing. First, understand that every investment is a journey, not a sprint. Patience is your compass. It might take time to see returns on your investments, but with perseverance, the rewards can be substantial. Second, knowledge is your map. Stay updated with the latest market trends, regulations, and laws related to real estate investing. This will help you make informed decisions and avoid unnecessary pitfalls. Third, risk management is your shield. Every investment carries a certain level of risk. However, with careful planning and strategic decision-making, you can minimize your exposure to these risks. Fourth, networking is your secret passageway. Building relationships with other investors, real estate agents, and industry professionals can open up new opportunities and provide valuable insights. Lastly, remember that every labyrinth has an exit. Always have an exit strategy in place. This could be selling the property, renting it out, or even refinancing. Having a well-thought-out exit strategy will ensure that you're prepared for whatever the real estate market throws at you. With these strategies in hand, you're not just ready to enter the labyrinth, but to conquer it. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to turn on the bell for all the latest notifications. Stay tuned for more real estate investing tips and tricks.